In this video, we will explore some essential tips and techniques for staying safe in the woodworking shop. Despite the joy and satisfaction that woodworking brings, it is vital to prioritize the safety of yourself, your co-workers, and the tools you are using. Let's explore the various elements of safety that will ensure a safe and happy woodworking experience. The environment of your workspace plays a critical role in determining your safety. A well-organized workshop with adequate lighting and ventilation is essential. Avoid working in cramped or messy areas that could lead to accidents, and make sure that all exits are easily accessible in case of an emergency. Woodworking tools, although essential, can potentially cause serious injury or harm if not used properly. Always start by reading the manuals and instructions for each tool before using them. Keep all cutting edges sharp, and make sure to use proper eye and ear protection when operating loud machinery. Before running any electrical tools, make sure all cables and wires are secure and in good condition. Loose clothing, jewelry, and long hair can easily get caught in spinning blades or machinery parts, leading to serious injuries. Always wear comfortable but well-fitting clothing, and avoid wearing ties or other loose articles of clothing. Tie back your hair and avoid wearing jewelry or watches that could pose a risk. In addition to the essential safety tips we've covered, there are additional safety measures you can take while working in the shop. Always keep your working area free from clutter, and make sure all sharp objects are stored appropriately. If you are unfamiliar with a tool, seek guidance and training before using it. Lastly, never work in the shop under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Thank you for joining us in this discussion on woodworking safety techniques and tips. By prioritizing safety and following these guidelines, you can ensure a successful and enjoyable woodworking experience. Remember to prioritize safety and follow the guidelines to create a safe and happy woodworking environment.